This is, obviously the first shop we've kind of been into, just to give you a general idea of what's going on inside them. Now we're going to head to the pharmacy, which is kind of that direction. Here's this needle thing. What's this called?
I don't know.
We don't know what it's called. Hang on.
AM tower.
No, maybe something like that. And then there's the, well, you can't see them from here, but from our place, which is I think just up here, is Petronas Towers, which are kind of behind over there. So that's called Menara. So it's one of the tallest kind of landmarks. One of the world's tallest landmarks. Apparently has a revolving either restaurant or a revolving floor on it, so you can see like all the way around. So one of those levels will be like a revolving type situation. Yeah, cool. Now we're gonna go over here. I think it's also a shop. I think it's a shop and a pharmacy. But yeah, all very nice. Liking it so far. Pizza Hut. They got Pizza Hut here. They got KFC here. They've got McDonald's here. They've got something else here. They've got Asher here.
They got forest.
They got a forest. And a tower. So yeah, we're just going over here to this Express Mart. So I looked it up. It does say that there's a pharmacy Express Mart. Going in here. This even feels like an American type shop, to me. Okay, we're going in. I see they're selling alcohol here, so the focus on the Muslim. So the focus on like the Muslim non-alcohol thing may not be as strong here. I don't know. Wow, look at that! Look at that! Awesome. Hello. So yeah, this is the shop. Let's check it out. What are we looking for?
I might just.
Strippers?
I'm feeling. No, it's okay.
Ice creams. Let's have a look around, people. There's some stuff. Corn chips. Just to give you an idea, so these pasta chips cost 3 ringgit. So that's like less than a pound, I guess. About like 60 pence. There's loads of stuff in here. To give you another idea, let's see something. Oh, this bottle of water is 120. 120. So that's about 20 cents. 20 pence. About 20 pence. Super cheap. Okay. Soy. Well, it's the Red Bull. 6.50. Red Bull costs 6.50. And oh no, these don't have signs. But like these yogurt drinks are 1.80. Really cheap. Things are quite cheap here. I think this is even cheaper than Indonesia, or than Java even. Interesting. Okay, I'm looking for. I'll get back to you. 3 legs cooling water. Interesting. And then they've got this kombucha stuff. One small one is like 9.30. That's a bit expensive. But that's fine. I just want it, just because. And this is the pharmacy here. I need a few things actually from the pharmacy. Okay, and then we got this, which is the same brand that I got in Indonesia. This is 8.20. I don't know how much it was in Indonesia, so I can't remember. But it's say something like Axe 16. 16. What else do I need, people? What else do I need? Mouthwash. Eventually I will need mouthwash. Just out of interest, like this one costs $12.60 for a 250 bottle of Listerine. Those are soaps. Wow, natural soaps and stuff. I might like those. This, for example, $29.90, but expensive. Pantene, $15.90 for this. Just to give you an idea. Huh? Stuff. More stuff down here. But yeah, this is, you know, obviously the first shop we've kind of been into, just to give you a general idea of what's going on inside them. Cool. We've even got finger condoms. You need them? Finger condoms. Just, you know, if you're in need of finger condoms, you know. Not much else here, really. I think that's it for me. Okay, and then in the chocolate section, Toblerones are $7.50. These ones, $6.50. Black Forest, $8.50. What am I in the dark chocolate? They don't have a dark chocolate. Only milk chocolates here. Thank you.
No.
M&M's, $5.30. Big pack. What else we got? Beer, if you're after it. One Guinness there. Foreign Extra Stout, $8.50. A Shahi, $8.50. I'm not really into the beers. Myself, what else have they got down the back here? Do we think? Oh, loads. Got loads down here. Naan, chapati. The big Coca-Cola doesn't say how much it say. Small one. £2.30. £2.30 ringgit. Coffee. That's maybe what I was after. Some better coffee. Let's see what we can do here. Don't really know. Wow, this is bigger than I thought. Standby caller. Okay, so as you may or may not know, I've been trying the coffee from all around everywhere, and this says it's a Malaysian mix. Kopi Campuran. I don't think it's a mixture. I don't think it has sugar in it. 0 grams. Okay, cool. So no sugar. It's not a mix. It's just a powder. I hope. This is $3.30. So, wow. Not much at all. London green tea. Interesting. 25. Tea bags. Not sure. I want like a non-London green tea, please. Let's see what else they got down here. Oh, they got the grape stuff. Grape. Oh, they got Nutella. $10.95. English marmalade. Obviously you need English marmalade. Vindaloo chicken in a container. That is $6.80. Oils and stuff, all sorts. Okay, that's enough for now. Okay guys, so that was our first shop situation. Mine cost about 27 altogether. There was like water, coffee, this drink, like Yakult type situations, and what else? Oh yeah, you got
yogurt, orange, gel, and new slippers.
Yeah, so you got. But yours cost 51, right?
Mine cost 51, but the shoes cost 23. And I chose these ones because they're all natural rubber, biodegradable, slip resistant, antibacterial, washable, and shock absorbent. So biodegradable shoes. Amazing.
Wow, fantastic. Yes. And look, we just noticed, I think I saw it on photos, but this is our building here actually, with all the cool street art going up and down it. Really cool. 2018 even, so it's been there a while. There's a couple of buildings. Look, there's a building, there's a building. More buildings. So yeah, this is where we were. Cool, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go back up to our place, I think. Unless we want to go to another shop, but I don't think so. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go back up. Back up, back up. Bye, bye, bye.